Hello cuties! I welcome you all to another English class for grade 1. Today we learn the lesson 3, the lazy lion. So, what do you mean by lazy lion? Let us see. Before that, where do you live? Can you tell your friends about your house? If you want to know about me, I live in an apartment. I live in second floor. And the good part is I can see the overview of the roads and the vehicles moving around. I can see the birds in the sky. Even the sun comes into our balcony. But the other part is we don't have a full-fledged garden. So living in an apartment is fun. Now let us learn some of the animals and their home, where they live. So, ant lives in anthill, bird lives in nest, cat in cat house, cow has a shed, and dog has kennel and duck in a pond, elephant in the forest, fish in the water or aquarium if it is in the house, hen lives in the coop, honeybee lives in honey hive, horse lives in the stable, monkey, they live on trees. Mouse, the mouse lives in a hole. Pigs lives in a pigsty. Rabbit in a burrow. Sheep in a pen. Spider in a web, and tiger in a den. So here are some more. Honeybee lives in a beehive. And rabbit lives in a hutch. They also live in burrows. Cage is meant for birds, and cave for owl, and ant hill, and sheep pen, and den for bear also, and lion also. They live in den. Mouse in the mouse hole, and the tree in the hollow. Now we all know the lion is known as the king of the forest, because it is very ferocious and very strong animal, and it's very gigantic, and also all the animals in the forest are afraid of lion. So once upon a time there lived an old lion, and he was the king of the forest. Then the lion lived in a den. Lion lives in a den. A lion lives in a den. Can you see the picture? And what did he eat? He hunted the animals. He killed the animals and he ate. So he had to work hard, isn't it, children? He had to run behind the animals and kill and eat, isn't it? So what happened one day? This old lion fell ill. One day the old lion died. Oh, so sad. We know lion is the king of the forest. Now there is no king in the forest. And the lion died. Then a lazy lion started living in his den. From another place a lion came there and took himself as the king. See how lazy it is. It is sleeping. The lazy lion is sleeping. And he roared. What sound does a lion make? Lion roars. Oh. It roared and he said, I am the new king. I will not hunt. One animal will come to me every day, he roared. So he called all the animals in the forest and said, I am the new king. The old king has died. Now I am. But this new lion was very lazy. It did not hunt animals and run behind any animals. What did it say? The new king has put up a new rule. What is the rule? Yes, one day one animal should come to his den to eat. The animal itself should walk and come to the lion's den, and it should become the food for the lion every day. and lion is not going to hunt any animal. So the animals were very scared. He roared. The animals were very sad. Who will go to the lion's den today? Who will go to the lion's den to eat? The lion will eat one animal every day. So all the animals were very sad. Who will go? Who will go? Then the brave and intelligent rabbit came out of the burrow. What is a burrow? Burrow is a place where the rabbit lives. It is under the ground. Yes, a little rabbit came out of the burrow and he said, I will go to the lion. The rabbit said, I will go to the lion. All the animals were surprised. How can this small little animal has so much courage to go to the lion? It is very brave animal. He's very little, but he was ready to go and become the food for the lion. Then what did the other people say? The other animal said, you? Said the deer. Deer said, you are going to the lion's den. The lion will not be happy to see a small rabbit. So the deer says, you are too small. You are ready to go and become as a food for the lion today. But you are very small. Lion will not be very happy to see such a small rabbit. Who said this? The deer said. Then the rabbit smiled and said, let me go to the lion's den. He hopped towards the lion's den. So all of you hop and show me. How do you hop, children? You all hop in your houses? Yeah, hop, hop, hop. Hopping is just like jumping. Yes, you're not walking. You jump and walk. That is called hopping. So the rabbits hop. The rabbits live in a burrow and he hopped where? He hopped to the lion's den. But the rabbit was looking so happy. It smiled. Maybe the rabbit is very clever. It has some plan, some secret plan is going on in the rabbit's mind. Isn't it? It is having some plan. So it said, let me go to the lion's den. And in the lion's den, I will be the food for the lion today. Then on his way, a group of ants came out of their anthill. See, the ants are standing in a line, isn't it? 2 lines. They came out of their anthill. They are busy making or carrying food. They walked in a line. Good luck, they said to the rabbit. Who said good luck? Who said good luck to the rabbit? The group of ants. Ants said, good luck, you're going to be the food, yummy food for the lion today. Good luck. Then there was a monkey on a tree. There was a monkey on the tree on the way. He looked at the rabbit and shouted. What did the monkey say? He said, the lion will be very hungry and angry. Go fast. You know, the lion is very hungry and angry. One animal has to go to the den every day. So today is your turn. You decided that you're going. So monkey is saying, shouting, rabbit, go, the lion will be hungry and angry also. And the rabbit moved on. But as the rabbit was moving, hopping on the way, the rabbit stopped near a pond to drink water. It stopped near a pond to drink water. Then someone came next to him. Croak, croak, who is that? A frog. He said, hurry up, hop faster. Croaked a frog in the pond. So in the pond, a frog came out and told the rabbit, hey rabbit, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Rabbit, hurry up, go soon. Hop faster, go to the lion fast. Hurry up. Then the rabbit was drinking water. And then the frog said, hurry up, go to the den. And Be the food for the lion. Quickly, hop faster. Who said? A frog croaked. So, when the rabbit reached the den, the lion roared in anger. Anger means, yeah, the lion was very angry. Seeing the small rabbit, he roared. He was very ferocious and very, very hungry. He was so hungry that his stomach hurt. His stomach was burning with hunger. Seeing a rabbit, he got so angry. Then what did the rabbit say? King Lion, said the rabbit. King Lion, I am sorry to be late. I am sorry to be late. King Lion, I am sorry to be late. I was coming here with all the other rabbits. See, the rabbit has started a story. The rabbit told the lion that he is not alone. So many rabbits are coming with me. I was coming with all the other rabbits. So I was late. I am sorry, Lion King. I'm sorry, Lion King. We are late because we are coming in a group. Do you think there was any other rabbit? No. So the rabbit is making up a story to fool the lion. Let us see how the lion got fooled. Then the rabbit said, on the way, a big lion ate them all. What the rabbit says to the king? He said, there was a new king in the forest. There is another lion in the forest and he ate all my rabbit friends. And he wants you out of the forest. He wants to become the king. Not you are the king, but there is another lion in the forest. That another lion has eaten all my friends, all my rabbit friends. Now he is going to be the king of the forest. Then the lion got angry. Then what did he say? Take me to the other lion. I will kill him, roared the lion. Take me to the other lion. Who is that? How dare? Who is the other lion in the forest? I will kill him, the angry lion said. The rabbit took the lion to a well. You know, children, what is a well? If you fall in the well, you cannot come out. It is very dangerous. You will die. So the rabbit has a secret plan. The rabbit, the small rabbit, see how clever and brave the rabbit is. He showed the lion a well. The lion peeped into the well. See, the lion is looking into the well. What will happen if you look on the water? Your face reflection will come. You can see your own face. Similarly, when the lion looked into the well, when he peeped, he saw the reflection, his own face, but he thought there is another lion in the well. There is another lion in the well. Actually, there is no lion in the well. The well has only water. And if you jump in the well, you will die. You will get drowned and die. But the foolish lion, he saw his own face and he thought he wasn't another lion. So what did he do? The foolish lion jumped into the well. With a roar, he jumped in and drowned. So what happened to the lazy lion? The lazy lion wanted to kill another lion, but he jumped into the well, as the rabbit said, and he died. And so what happened to the rest of the animals in the forest? The animals were very happy when they heard about the lion's death. Well done, they said. So the little rabbit, with his wisdom and with his braveness and with his planning, he was able to control a powerful animal like a big lion. So the rabbit was successful in killing the foolish Lion. So what is the lesson we learn? Yeah, even if you're big or strong, you have to be very smart. So the rabbit was very smart, isn't it? So now we have some questions coming. Who was the king of the forest? An old king. Where did the lion live? In a den. The new lion was very lazy. The new lion roared that he will hunt one animal and one animal will come to him as food. True or false? True. Who was ready to go to the lion's den? Who was ready? Who was ready to go to the lion's den? The rabbit. Who hopped out of the burrow? A rabbit. Who came out of the ant hill? A group of ants. Who was on a tree? A monkey. What did the monkey shout? He shouted that the lion will be hungry and angry. The rabbit stopped to drink water in a pond. A dash croaked and asked the rabbit to hop faster. Who croaked in from the water? A frog. The lion dashed on seeing the rabbit. The lion roared. Who was sorry to be late? The rabbit. What did the rabbit say? The rabbit said that the big lion ate all the other of his rabbit friends. Was the rabbit story a true one? No, the rabbit story was not a true one. Where did the rabbit take the lion? Where did he take? He took the lion near a well. What did the lion see in the well? The lion saw his own reflection in the well. What did the lion do? The lion jumped into the well and got drowned. So children, that comes to the end of the lesson, The Lazy Lion. Read the lesson and enjoy the lesson about the lazy lion. There's a good moral coming up. Stay tuned with me and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get connected, and stay tuned with me. Thank you. Bye.